Alright, welcome to Insights. So this is Sanoob here. Today I'll be giving a comparison between two brokers, especially discount brokers. One is a Zerodha, which is a 10-year-old stockbroking firm, and Paytm Money, which just launched recently. So I'll be comparing both of their platforms, their rates, and how it is going to be. Okay, so I've been waiting for this Paytm stocks for a few days now, and when I just joined the waiting list, I was around 6,000 in the waiting list, and within 2 days I got my account ready. And to be frank, let me tell you, the account opening process was so easy. I just did it with my mobile phone. I don't know, I already have a Paytm Money mutual funds account, and they did not ask any sort of documents or anything. KYC was given a tick. That means they already have the data. I don't know from where they are getting this. And only thing which they told me to upload by taking a photo is my signature. And within a few fraction of seconds, the process got over, and within 4 hours, the account got opened. So today is Friday, and I did this around 6 p.m. and the account got opened by around 9 p.m. So let me share this is Zerodha. So I've been using this since 2014, and I'm very happy with their service. So now we have the Paytm Money here. Almost when we compare the websites, you can see that the layout is almost similar. It is very minimalistic website. Almost the design and all the graphics are almost the same. And let's see how their app is going to be. So here I'll be just comparing their desktop platform initially, the web platform, which is built out of HTML5. So before that, let's compare the major differences between Paytm Money and Zerodha. Zerodha, if you look the pricing, you can see as usual, the equity delivery is always free. They don't charge for delivery, zero brokerage. And for intraday and future and options, they charge a flat ₹20 or 0.03%. Earlier, when they started, it was 0.01. But during this lockdown, they increased it to 0.03 on intraday trades across everything, equity, currency, and commodity trades. It's a flat rate ₹20. And direct mutual funds is also available at a cost of ₹0. Initially, they used to charge a platform fee of ₹50 per month. But when all other companies started direct mutual funds, they made it free. So that's great. Okay, all right. And another list of charges, they have just hidden there in the website. Another list of charges, it is hidden. So when you click, then only you can see the actual brokerage, or like what others say, the hidden charges. Okay, so brokerage I told earlier, the settlement transaction tax, or STT, it is 0.1 on buy side, 0.025, 0.01 and 0.05. Transaction charge is given, GST is given, and SEBI charges is ₹5 per crore. Okay, it's a flat charges. Okay, all right, and the pledging DP charge. So we'll just compare with both. Okay, I'll just open both the sites. Here we have the Paytm Money website, so I'm going to take stock market here, and here we go. The first thing what we are looking for is nothing but pricing. We need to know the pricing. All right, so it's almost similar. They have just made what Zerodha has made. They have just made it smaller. ₹0, Here also you can see ₹10. So that's a major difference here. Here they are going to charge ₹10 only for intraday trades, or 0.05% of the turnover. Whereas in Zerodha, as I said, they'll charge 0.03 or ₹20. So in that case, if you are a person who's making a lot of intraday trades, Paytm is giving a less brokerage of ₹10. It is almost half of it, and ₹0 depository AMC, zero annual maintenance charges for your DEMAT account. Whereas in Zerodha, they have hide somewhere. Where is it? DP charge, not this one. Yeah, AMC. You can see ₹300 per year plus GST charge quarterly. All right. Okay, that's fine. And other charges, you can see brokerage is 0.01 per executed order. I think they won't be able to give a zero as brokerage, so they're just giving a flat charge of 0.01 just for the sake of showing some brokerage. GST, everything is same. I'll tell where the actual difference is. DP charges for delivery sell orders. DP charges for delivery sell orders is rupees 10, including the depository transaction charges. Whereas in Zerodha, DP charges is 13.5 plus GST. Okay, so 3 rupee difference there. DP charges for delivery sell orders. Okay, pledge creation is 32, pledge closure 32, pledge invocation 32. Everything is 32, and remat and demat charges is 250. Whereas in Zerodha, if you are going to create a pledge, let's see, they are not, yeah, pledging charges 60 plus GST. Here it is 32, so almost half the price. All right, okay, and they are charging a rupees 9 on a payment gateway charge if they are using net banking, but Paytm doesn't have any sort of that charge. They themselves have a payment bank there. Okay, all right. But the one interesting thing here, when we compare it with Zerodha, is that Zerodha is charging a 300 rupees AMC. Okay, plus that's an account maintenance charge. Whereas in Paytm Money, this maintenance depository AMC is zero. But there is one interesting thing of charges where you can see payment. Where was it? So somewhere there was a platform charge. Let me search. Yeah, here. Platform fees, it is rupees 300 per annum. So it is almost same, and okay, it's almost same. And they also do have a this thing, net banking charges. I mean, for those who are doing transferring money through net banking, they have a flat charge of 10. But no one does that. We have UPI and all here. And they also have, while creating an account, they also have a digital KYC charge of rupees 200 one time. That's a one-time charge. Okay, all right. So this is the charges part here. Now let's see the features, benefits. All right. So features, you can see the best platform for both investors and traders. That we have to see how well is their platform. Lowest charges, no brokerage for delivery, rupees 10 per intraday order. So when we compare it with the leaders there, Zerodha, the only difference is that rupees 20, they charge rupees 20 per trade there, but here it is rupees 10. Okay, investment through our platform is safe and secure. Definitely Zerodha is also safe, secure. So investing is simple and free. Get the best experience, simple, easy, and fast for everyone. No hidden charges. All right, simplified account stage and detailed tracking of investments. Okay. The next exciting thing, which I said, get started in 30 minutes. That's quick. Let me tell you, that was really quick. In my 10 years of stock market experience, the fastest account opening done is now through Paytm. It just took, I told you, the process just took only hardly 5 to 10 minutes, and the account opening uh, took around 3 hours, total 3 hours. But we can see the status. It keeps on um, updating each and every second. All right. So, and here you can see they have a Zerodha have a web platform called as Kite. They have a back office called as Console. They have a mutual fund platform called as Coin, and they have an API called as Kite Connect, and they have an educational platform called as Varsity Mobile. They have a options platform called as Sentinel. Sentinel is actually a powerful market alerts creating thing. Okay, they also have a lot of small products which got developed in Zerodha, small case, streak, sensible, and golden buy. All right, and in Paytm stocks, you can see I told you the benefits. Now let's check out the features. Okay, see features, watch list and real-time market information. Let's go to the platform so we get a better idea. Stock SIPs and price alerts. Okay, price alerts is there in almost all the platform. Okay, there is something. Stock SIPs can be done. Some of the platform brokerage firms are having stock SIPs feature. Market depth and advanced charts. We'll check the charts. Trigger orders coming soon. It is trigger orders. They have written it as coming soon, but Zerodha already have that feature called as GTT, or good till triggered order, where you can keep stop loss or a target for with a validity of more than 1 year, and that is free of cost. So they are just bringing it trigger orders. All right. So they were in a hurry to bring this. So now let's just log into the system and see. I already opened the account using my mobile, so I'm just logging in. I think there is one more No, they didn't ask any secure password next. Okay, so this is a platform, like I said earlier, they already had a direct mutual fund uh, going up in Paytm Money. So they just integrated that with the Paytm Money app. Then here we can see stock markets. All right, so you are ready to invest. So my account is ready. So it's here. They are written everything here. So let me check invest. So I clicked on invest, and I'm just login Zerodha here just to compare both the platforms. Okay. So they are asking me a passcode. Okay, I just entered the passcode. Here we go. The platform. Okay, it is minimal. Okay, there's a lot of graphs below. And let's compare it with Zerodha. Zerodha Kite is the most simplest platform I've used till now. Okay, this is the Zerodha platform, and here you can see Nifty 50 chart. In Paytm Money, it is almost similar. On the left, you can see the watch list. In Zerodha also on the left, I can see the watch list. And let's see the speed of adding something to the watch list. Whoa, this is so fast. Tata Motors. So if I click here, I think it gets added to my watch list. Let me check. Tata Motors. So there's a blue tick here. Let me see if it is. Yeah, it came in the watch list. So I'm just adding one more index here, Nifty. Nifty 50. Okay, if you click here, it gets added to the watch list. Okay. So in Zerodha also, you can see something in the watch list. So I'm adding the same stock here also. Tata Motors. Oops. Add it. So okay, this is Zerodha. So here you can see a graph here. You can see the buy button and the sell button. If we click on buy, okay, the interface is there. Invest, there are two options, invest and trade. So invest, there is nothing but we need to give the quantity and price, that's all. And I can set advanced option where to give a trigger price. Okay, cool. Whereas if I take trade, I can give a trigger price. Okay, I can give a limit price. There is also advanced options here. I can give trigger price, stop loss, and target if required. Okay, so I'm very much used to Zerodha, and I know it's so simple to use. So almost Zerodha's interface is much more simpler when we compare it with Paytm Money. It might be because I'm new to this. It may take some time, but all the rest, everything looks same. Here on the toolbar, you can see dashboards, orders, uh, okay, holdings, positions, funds. And in Paytm Money also you can see home is there. Okay, market. And market, okay, this is a good data which I get. The list of top gainers, top losers, yearly high, yearly low, movers by value, movers by volume. Also I get the details about almost all the indices. This is Nifty Junior indices and also BSC's indices. And the okay, this is also a good feature where I can see what all I did recently. Okay, all the some stocks which I took in mobile phone is still showing up here, so it's good. And now it is Friday night. I don't know, I mean, this is the place where we add money. Okay, so if I click add funds, I think it goes to, there are two ways. UPI is free, net banking I have to pay for it. Okay, all right, fine. So I haven't traded here. It's Friday and there is market is closed now. So I'll just do a trade on Monday and see. But the platform is almost similar. But one of the disadvantage of Paytm Money is that Paytm Money, it's not just an app just for stock trading. It has mutual funds and everything. But whereas in Zerodha, they already have a mutual fund app called as Zerodha Coin. So the stock market is separate from it. And Zerodha have a desktop platform called as Pi, whereas Paytm just have a web platform and a mobile platform now. So that's all. I think when we it may take some time. The brokerages just half of it. Some of the customers may go to Paytm, and like I earlier said, I need not need to upload anything. Almost my bank account details, Paytm Money already had that. Maybe they took it from there, but my KYC details, I don't know. They are charging rupees 200 for KYC details. But when I opened the account, they haven't asked me money. They just told me, okay, you have to pay so and so much, but they didn't tell me to pay in between. So the account opening was hassle free. Okay, whereas in Zerodha they initially asked money, but I'm used to Zerodha and it is very easy to operate also. So I think right now, even if the brokerage is quite less when we compare it with Zerodha, the Paytm Money brokerage is less. It may take some time for them to improve their system. Let's see how well it goes. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching. If you need a Zerodha account, you are always free to click on the link below and start an account instantly. And we have an exclusive offer of a free account opening. Once you pay for the account, it will be reversed back. So if you have any doubts, feel free to contact. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to subscribe to my Telegram channel, there's a link below. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope Paytm, right now there are around 1 lakh users waiting for Paytm in the waiting list. So they are not giving a, it's like a Flipkart sale. They are not giving a full entry now. They're creating an exclusivity there. So that's all. So I'll do a video on how we trade here in Paytm Money, and also in this video I'll just in this video I'll just add some screenshot of the account opening screenshots too. That's all. Thank you.